Hello students, a very warm welcome to you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 2, addition and subtraction. In this chapter our topic is subtraction and check the answer. In our previous video we have learned what is subtraction and how to perform subtraction of large numbers. But sometime you must be facing some problems if my answer is correct or not. Sometime you need to take help of your elder or someone else. So students, here I have a solution of your problem. Using that trick, you can easily check your answer is correct or not. By using this trick, you are going to check your answer by yourself. So let us see how to do. Perform the following subtraction and check the answer. 6,98,527 minus 2,56,798. Look, it is 6-digit number. So first we will write all 6 places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Then draw a carry-on box. Arrange the numbers according to their place value and subtract column-wise. So start writing the digit from ones. First write 6,98,527 on top like this and write 2,56,798 on bottom like this. Then we will write a minus sign on the left and draw a line so our answer can go below it. As usual, we start our subtraction from ones place. Okay. Since 7 is smaller than 8, we cannot subtract 8 from 7. So what we have to do? Yes, borrow. So borrow 1 from tens place. Cut 2 and write 1 because we borrow 1 from it. Then write 1 in the ones place. It becomes 17. Now subtract 17 minus 8, we get 9. So write down 9 in ones place. Then subtract the digit at tens place. 1 minus 9 is not possible. So again borrow 1 from hundreds place. Cut 5 and write 4 because we borrow 1 from it. Then write 1 in tens place. It become 11. Now subtract 11 minus 9, we get 2. So write down 2 in tens place. Then subtract the digit at hundreds place. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So borrow 1 from thousands place. Cut 8 and write 7 because we borrow 1 from it. Then write 1 in the hundreds place. It become 14. Now subtract 14 minus 7, we get 7. So write down 7 in hundreds place. Then subtract the digit at thousands place. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So write down 1 in thousands place. Now subtract the digit at 10,000s place. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So write down 4 in 10,000s place. Then subtract the digit in lakhs place. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So write down 4 in lakhs place. Now insert commas between periods. So the answer is 4,41,729. But how do we make sure that our answer is correct or not? Look, there is a way to check our answer. Let's check it out. So again, write all the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Then draw a carry-on box. First, we will write the difference 4,41,729 on top according to their place value like this. Then add the smaller number from the question. Can you tell me which number is smaller? 6,98,527 or 2,56,798? Yes, the smaller number is 2,56,798. So write down 2,56,798 on the bottom like this. Remember, always start writing the digit from ones. Now we add both the digits. So we will write the plus sign on the left and draw a line so our answer can go below it. As usual, we start our addition from ones place. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. So write down 7 in ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Then add the digit at tens place. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So write down 2 in the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. Now add the digit at hundreds place. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. So write down 5 in the hundreds place and carry 1 to the thousands place. Then add the digit at thousands place. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So write down 8 in thousands place. Then add the digit in 10,000s place. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So write down 9 in 10,000s place. Then add the digit in lakhs place. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So write down 6 in lakhs place. Now insert commas between periods. We get 6,98,527. Look at the answer. It is same as the bigger number of the two numbers have given. Therefore, the answer of the subtraction is correct. So this is the way to check the answer. Let me recall it. First, what we did? We have to perform subtraction. We have subtracted 2,56,798 from 6,98,527 and we got the difference as 4,41,729. After doing this, we need to check or verify our answer. For that, we need to do addition. And how to do the addition? For this, first we need to write down the difference at the top. And then we are going to write the smaller number from the question on the bottom. And then we are going to do addition and get the sum. At last, we need to check the sum should be equal to the bigger number of the question. If both the numbers are same, that means we have done our calculation right. But if both the numbers are not same, that means different, so maybe we are doing some mistake. Maybe in subtraction or in addition. So students, I hope you like this trick to check your answer like this way. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.